Welcome to 5007 Marlborough Drive. Come on, let's have a look. Well, this property is located in a great location, relatively busy street, Marlborough Drive, but close to all amenities. You can see coming up, beautiful hardwood floors, nice big bright kitchen. These stairs go down to the back, huge yard. It doesn't actually give access to the basement, which can probably easily be fixed. Look at my hand here where I'm showing where you could potentially put a door to the basement, then back up to the main floor. Again, the street, Marlborough Drive, lovely floors. And there's 3 bedrooms here. This is the master bedroom with a 2-piece ensuite. 2 more good-sized, bright bedrooms. South side of the yard there, the south backyard. And then 4-piece bath. Heading downstairs. Big open space here. About to put my hand where that door for that basement on the other side, you could do an access into that basement. Another big space, 1 bedroom down there. And then look at this mechanical room, new furnace, new hot water tank, and then a 3-piece bath. Great property for the first-time home buyer, the investor, somebody who might want to install a suite in the basement, someone who loves an RV, huge backyard. Did you check that out? Well, folks, let me know if you're interested or if you know somebody interested in this great property, 5007 Marlborough Drive. BH out.